Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2023 Toyota TRD Pro V6 4Runner. This thing is sweet finished in solar octane, which is absolutely stunning in person. Wait, what does this say? Let's see, it's locked. Oh, just saying locked in position. All right. Oh, what a sick ride. This thing is sweet. I've driven a TRD Sport, but not a TRD Pro. So, very cool. Sounds absolutely awesome. 4-liter V6. All the intake noise you could ever ask for. Shush it. Such a cool car. I absolutely love this thing. I was like, oh, I'm not sure how I'm gonna like it. I definitely want to try it. No, I like this thing a lot. It is so cool. And it's super comfortable to drive. Matter of fact, this car just drove all the way back to New Hampshire from Tennessee. Adam just drove this thing all the way back, and he said this thing was a peach on the road. And I can definitely see that it truly is. This thing sounds incredible. In terms of handling, this thing's big, it's tall, it's not going to be the 370Z I just stepped out of, but it's better than I expected. We'll say sound system's phenomenal too, JBL sound. This whole experience is just so cool. And it looks like I'm going to put the 2,000th mile on this car. We're at 1999, which is pretty ironic. Come on, 2,000. Well, the computer shut down. Didn't that happen in 1999, waiting for 2000? Everybody thought computers were gonna shut down, not work anymore, and all that. I will say, this thing turns a lot of heads, too. Its solar octane is a very bright color. In the sun, this thing will probably shine even brighter, but it's cloudy today. It's bright. It's really bright. Hey, 2000. Overall, actually, me and Adam, manager over at Autoworld, were talking about this thing and like, when are they going to update it? You know what? I don't really care anymore. I like this thing as it sits. Yes, I want to try the new version. We're thinking 2025, but I like this thing as it sits. I'm not itching for a redesign. I was when I first saw it, but now that I drove it, this thing's awesome. I love it. But overall, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.